In the early 1900s, as the world was transitioning from steam engines to gas-powered vehicles, the automotive landscape was dominated by a single name: Mercedes-Benz. However, amidst this era of rapid technological change, one man's vision was set to redefine the industry. That man was Walter Bentley. Walter Bentley's story begins in 1913, just before the outbreak of the First World War. At that time, he and his brother Horace were selling French-made DFP automobiles from their base in North London. But Walter had ambitions that extended far beyond selling vehicles. He dreamed of creating a car that would be unmatched in efficiency, performance, and luxury. Walter's journey toward automotive greatness was shaped by an intensive apprenticeship at Great Northern Railways. This 5-year program, which cost his father a significant sum, provided Walter with invaluable skills in machinery design and manufacturing. During this time, he developed a groundbreaking idea: to use aluminum in place of cast iron for manufacturing lighter pistons. This innovation would become a cornerstone of his future success. By the summer of 1910, Walter completed his apprenticeship and was eager to apply his skills beyond the railway industry. He began working with the National Motor Cab Company, where he was responsible for maintaining a fleet of 250 vehicles. His fascination with engine performance and his innovative spirit were evident as he observed and learned from the cab drivers and their inventive techniques. Walter's expertise did not go unnoticed. During World War I, his skills earned him a significant commission from the British Empire. The funding he received was crucial for launching his own automotive venture. By 1919, Bentley Motors Limited was established, with the goal of producing high-performance, reliable sports cars. Bentley's early years were marked by notable successes. The company introduced models like the 3-liter and EXP1, which quickly gained recognition for their speed and endurance. These vehicles were not just cars. They were engineering marvels designed to push the limits of automotive performance. One of the most iconic symbols of Bentley's commitment to excellence was the winged logo created by artist F. Gordon Crosby. This logo, inspired by Walter Bentley's experience with fighter plane engines during the war, symbolized both performance and ambition. Over the years, the logo evolved, but its core message remained the same: pushing the boundaries of what was possible. The 1920s were a golden era for Bentley. The company's vehicles achieved remarkable success on the racetrack, including several victories at the prestigious Le Mans 24-hour race. These achievements solidified Bentley's reputation as a leader in speed and durability. However, the economic impact of the Great Depression hit the luxury car market hard. In 1931, Bentley faced financial difficulties and was acquired by Rolls-Royce, a move that significantly altered the brand's trajectory. Despite this, Bentley's engineering expertise continued to influence the automotive industry. The merger allowed Bentley to benefit from Rolls-Royce's resources while maintaining its focus on performance and innovation. The 1930s and 1940s saw Bentley vehicles sharing technology with Rolls-Royce, which sometimes led to confusion about the brand's identity. Nevertheless, Bentley continued to compete in racing events and contribute to technological advancements in the automotive field. The post-war era brought new challenges and opportunities for Bentley. The company went through a period of nationalization and restructuring. In the 1980s, Bentley was given a new lease on life when it was acquired by Vickers and later by Volkswagen. These changes brought about a revitalization of the brand. Under Volkswagen's ownership, Bentley underwent significant modernization. The introduction of the turbocharged V8 engine in 1982 marked a turning point for the brand, restoring its reputation for combining power with luxury. The 1990s saw Bentley solidify its position in the luxury automotive market, with new models and design innovations that appealed to a new generation of enthusiasts. In 2003, Volkswagen fully integrated Bentley's production, leading to a period of growth and reinvention. The brand continued to invest in cutting-edge technology and design. creating vehicles that were not only luxurious but also high-performing. Today, Bentley stands as a testament to its rich heritage and innovative spirit. The brand has embraced its past while looking forward to the future, maintaining its position as a symbol of automotive excellence. Each new model reflects Bentley's commitment to luxury, performance, and craftsmanship. From its early days of racing triumphs to its modern status as a leading luxury brand, Bentley's journey is a remarkable story of vision, innovation, and perseverance. The iconic Flying B logo remains a symbol of the brand's enduring legacy and its ongoing pursuit of automotive perfection. Feeling inspired by Bentley's incredible journey? Remember, greatness is achieved through vision, dedication, and relentless pursuit of excellence. If you enjoyed this exploration of Bentley's history, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more captivating stories and automotive insights. Join us as we continue to uncover the remarkable histories behind the world's most iconic brands.